In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a responsive and interactive accordion in Figma. Accordions are perfect for FAQs, menus, and content sections where you want to hide and reveal information smoothly. And by combining auto layout with variants, you can make them fully dynamic and responsive. Start by building the header for the collapse state. Place your title text and an icon, like a chevron or a plus sign, inside a frame. With both selected, press Shift-A to apply auto layout. This will make your header responsive. Set the title text resizing to fill container, so it expands with the frame, and set the icon to fixed so it maintains its size. In the auto layout settings, choose space between for distribution, so the icon always stays on the far right, regardless of the title length. Next, add the content for the expanded state. Create a new text layer for the body content and combine it with the header. Press Shift-A again to wrap them into a parent auto layout frame. Set the parent frame to a vertical direction with minimal gap, and make sure both the header and body text are set to fill container horizontally. This ensures that the accordion stretches correctly when the frame resizes. Once your layout is ready, create a component. Right-click the parent frame and select Create Component. Then add a variant by clicking the plus button in the Properties panel. For Variant 1, the collapse state, hide the body text layer. Either toggle its visibility or hit 0 in the Layers panel. For Variant 2, the expanded state, leave the body text visible, and optionally rotate the icon 90 or 180 degrees to indicate the open state. Now it's time to set up prototyping. Switch to the Prototype tab and drag a connection from the closed variant to the open variant. Set the interaction to onClick and the action to Change To. Use Smart Animate with an ease out curve and around 300 milliseconds duration to create a smooth sliding effect as the content appears. Don't forget to reverse the interaction. Drag a connection from the open variant back to the closed variant so the accordion can be toggled shut. Finally, make your accordion fully responsive. Drag multiple instances onto your page and select all of them. Apply auto layout again by pressing Shift-A. This ensures that when one accordion expands, the ones below automatically push down the page, maintaining a clean and responsive vertical stack. By combining auto layout for responsiveness and variants for interactivity, you can build professional, dynamic accordions that adapt to your content and provide a smooth user experience across any Figma design.